red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now you're coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and again use red color, red color. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan, the alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for grapes, and use blue color, blue color, the alphabets of G. H. H for hen, H for helicopter. Kids, again use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color, green color, the alphabets of J. Kids, again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and again use green color, green color. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for mango, and use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and again use black color, black color. Kids, now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. The alphabets of P. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail, and again use yellow ochre color. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use red color, the alphabets of R. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. And again use red color. It's neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van, V for violin. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use red color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids now it is Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, and again use blue color. Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use green color, O-N-E-1. Kids again use green color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W, 3. Kids again use green color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5, and use black color, F-I-V-E, 5. 6. The numbers of 6, S-I-X, 6. Kids again use black color and draw 7. S-E-V-E, and 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8. The numbers of 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9, and use yellow ochre color, N-I-N-E, 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10, T-E, and 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color, the alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use black color, the alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use green color, Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color, Kids now draw numbers, and first we draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O N E 1, the numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color, T W 2, the numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, T H R W 3, the numbers of 3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use green color, F O U R 4, the numbers of 4. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color, F I V E 5, the numbers of 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first we draw a square, the shape of square, and use red color, Kids night a circle. The shape of circle and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids night a triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color. Black color. Kids night a heart. The shape of heart and use green color. Green color. It's a night Easter. The shape of Easter and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, today we draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and Easter. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. B is for ball. B is for bus. C is for cat. C is for car. D is for dog. D is for doll. E is for egg. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fan. G is for God. G is for grapes. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. I is for ice cream. I is for ice. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lemon. M is for moon. M is for mango. N is for nose. N is for nest. O is for orange. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. R is for rose. R is for rat. S is for sheep. S is for sun. T is for tiger. T is for teacher. U is for umbrella. U is for ankle. V is for van. V is for violin. W is for wolf. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.